Let's discuss one more question. Atul and Bhaskar are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3. Their capitals are rupees 4 lakh and rupees 2 lakh respectively. Interest is to be allowed on capitals at the rate of 6% per annum. Profit before allowing interest on capital is rupees 30,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account to distribute profit or loss if interest on capital is a charge. See here, it is mentioned, it is clearly written that we need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, okay, to distribute profit or losses, and interest on capital is treated as a charge. So let's calculate the amount of interest first. 6% of 4 lakh is 24,000 and 6% of 2 lakh is 12,000. So total interest on capital 24,000 plus 12,000, 36,000 that we need to allow. But profit in the question is given 30,000. So clearly we are getting a loss of rupees 6,000. Okay. So first account, we need to prepare profit and loss account. By profit before interest, you will write credit side 30,000, debit side to interest on capital. Atul's interest 24,000, Bhaskar's interest 12,000. Outer column 36,000. After providing interest on capital, we are getting loss of rupees 6,000. For that it is written by net loss transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Yes, we need to show divisible loss of the partners in P&L appropriation account because it is written in the question. You can see that prepare profit and loss appropriation account to distribute profit or loss. For that purpose, we are preparing two accounts here. Now, the 6,000 is to be written debit side of P&L appropriation account as to profit and loss account 6,000. Credit side you will write by loss transferred to capital account. In their profit sharing ratio, you will distribute the amount. 2/5 of 6,000 is 2,400. 3/5 of 6,000 is 3,600. Outer column 6,000. Now another alternative is that you can show just one account, that is P&L appropriation account. Debit side you will write to net loss. ओके पहले ही हमें पता चल गया है कि लॉस है हमारे पास बिकॉज वी हैव 30,000 प्रॉफिट एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल वी आर गेटिंग 36,000. सो क्लियरली वी कैन सी दैट in this question we are having net loss of rupees 6,000, which is to be written debit side of P&L appropriation account. So for that it is written to net loss transferred from profit and loss account 6,000. Now you will distribute this amount. For that, credit side it's written by loss transferred to Atul's capital account, Bhaskar's capital account. 6,000 ka 2/5 is 2,400 and 3/5 of 6,000 is 3,600. Here we have note also. See, it is written the syllabus prescribe preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, in this chapter we are studying about profit and loss appropriation account and not profit and loss account. Also, the question prescribed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Yes, it is written in the question that we need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So you can choose any of the alternative, whichever is easier for you. Just go for that.